Good morning, Augustians. How are you all? I wish you all are fit and fine at your place. Today we are going to learn phonetics sound of last letter in a word. There are so many things around us. Like this. What is this? This is a bag. This object has a name, bag. So bag begins with b. B, bag. And ending sound of word bag is g. B, a, g. G is the sound of last letter in the word. We'll try to understand this with some examples. This is a pin. P-I-N. Pin. Last letter sound in this word is N. Pin. This is ship. Sh-I-P. Ship. Last letter sound in this word is P. Ship. This is train. Tra-A-N. Train. Last letter sound is N. Train. This is clot. Cl-O-T. Clot. Last letter sound is T. Clot. This is crib. K-R-I-B. Crib. Last letter sound is B. Crib. This is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Last letter sound is K. Pink. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Last letter sound is M. Swim. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Last letter sound is D. Hand. Carrot. K-A-R-O-T. Carrot. Last letter sound is T. Carrot. This is chair. Ch-A-R. Chair. Last letter sound is R. Chair. This is boat. B-O-T. Boat. Last letter sound T. Boat. Drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. Last letter sound is P. Drop. Camel. K-A-M-L. Camel. Last letter sound is L. Camel. Dear kids, do the practice of last letter sound in a word at your home.